If it is our, sorry, we, then they. We are patriotic. They were patriotic. He hit me. He hit him. Us, them. My or your. In the singular form, it is my or your, his or her. This is my book. That was her book. Our, their, their. So first of all हमें देखना चाहिए कि in our sentence are these pronouns given and we have to change it accordingly. We need to see the word, like if it is written Sheila, she, and if it is written Sushil, so he. So you have to change it accordingly, right? Then comes your verbs. To begin with, now very commonly what we use is, am, are. Now you might be seeing that I have used was, sorry, are twice. मैंने ऊपर भी are use किया है और नीचे भी are use किया है. So what is that? If I am talking to say Pragya, right? I am talking to Pragya. So Pragya is singular, right? So I'll say Pragya, you are studying in class 9, right? I am saying Pragya, you are studying in class 9 because Pragya is singular. यहाँ प्रज्ञा जो है वो सिर्फ एक लड़की है या एक बच्ची है. Whereas if I talk to Pragya and Yash both, yeah, I am speaking to all of you. सबसे बात कर रही हूं. आई एम स्पीकिंग टू प्रज्ञा, शौमिली, सना, यश, दीपिका, सबको बोल रही हूं मैं. आई एम एड्रेसिंग ऑल ऑफ यू. तो भी आप लोगों को मैं यू ही बोलूंगी, है ना? तब भी मैं आपको यू ही बोलूंगी ना. अगर आप लोग इतने सारे हो तो भी आप लोग सब यू हो. एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग टू अ सिंगल चाइल्ड ऑल्सो, देन ऑल्सो यू. तो व्हेन we are using you with singular, like I'm using Pragya, you are studying in class 9, so this will change into ma'am said Pragya was, या फिर she was studying in, she was studying in class 9. Just 1 minute beta. Sorry beta, someone was there. So if I am using it for singular, then I use was, मतलब मैं are use कर रही हूँ. You are studying, she was studying. But when I am using are for many students, plural form, you all are studying in class 9. तो you यहाँ it is in plural. They all were studying in class 9. They all were studying in class 9. So that is why I have written are twice. एक ऊपर और एक नीचे. This are is for singular and this is when we are talking in plural forms. Now is. She is. He is. So that would change into was. I am. अब ये वाला जो ऊपर हमने किया था, I had done this, that I am unwell today. I am unwell today. So this am has been changed into was. So this is the very first rule of what we call as verbs. Then whatever verb you have, there will be two kinds of verb, one direct and one indirect. How I'll tell you. एक होगा I eat food. I eat food. तो I के साथ डायरेक्टली मैंने verb लगा दिया है. दूसरा आपका होता है modal verb. I like to eat food. I'm just giving one example. I eat food. इसमें आपका डायरेक्ट है, मतलब आफ्टर द नाउन और प्रोनाउन डायरेक्टली द वर्ब हैज बीन यूज्ड. दूसरा है आई लाइक टू ईट पिज्जा. तो यहां आपका लाइक भी है और ईट भी है ना. दो वर्ब्स है यहां पर, लाइक भी है और ईट भी है. तो वी ओनली चेंज दिस वन, वी डोंट चेंज दिस वन. सो जितने भी आपके वर्ब्स होते हैं, एनीथिंग विच इज रिटन इन प्रेजेंट फॉर्म, दैट वुड चेंज इनटू पास्ट. दैट वुड चेंज इनटू पास्ट. ईट है तो एट, लाइक है तो लाइक्ड, सिट है तो सैट, राइट. अब हैज या हैव है तो had. And all the modals will also change into their past forms. Can, could, will, would, shall, should. ठीक है. And if any verb is in did form, did, then it changes into had. Had. For example, if it is there, right? I did not sleep yesterday. Now here it is did, right? So she had not. And with all the past tense of verb, कोई भी अगर आपके verb में question में past tense है, like I ate pizza, ठीक है. This is in past tense. This is in past tense. All the past tense verb will change into had plus verb का third form. Had plus verb का third form. Like here the question is, here the example says I ate pizza. It will change into she या he had. Eat का third form eat, ate, eaten. This is the rule. When the present verb is there, that changes into second form of verb, past. Eat है तो ate, write है तो wrote. But अगर हमारा sentence में the verb is in past tense, then it will change it with had plus verb का third form. This is the rule of changing the verbs. Means यहाँ मैंने verbs and modal verbs दोनों को ले लिया है. If there is a verb with to, to plus verb रहता है. जैसे to eat, I like to eat, I like to swim. तो to के साथ जो verb आएगा ना, that will not change. ठीक है, तो ये जो टू के साथ कुक है, दिस विल नॉट चेंज. यहां हरी इज बॉय, इसीलिए ही. And like is the verb, तो liked to cook. So with the to form to के साथ जो verb होता है वो change नहीं करेंगे. अब मैं इसका एक एग्जाम्पल बताती हूँ which I commonly come to, मतलब come across, and it is not that my little kids करते हैं, बड़े बड़े लोग भी करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आई डिडंट नो, हमें बोलना चाहिए आई डिड नॉट नो, और हम बोलते हैं आई डिडंट न्यू. दैट इज वेयर वी आर रॉन्ग. विद ऑल द फॉर्म्स ऑफ पास्ट टेंस वी डोंट यूज, वी यूज अ फर्स्ट फॉर्म. आई डिड नॉट नो, आई डिडंट न्यू नहीं होता है. द सेम रूल गोज हियर कि टू के साथ जो हमारा होगा दैट विल नॉट चेंज. इट इज नॉट हरी टोल्ड अनिल दैट ही लाइक्ड टू कुक्ड नहीं होगा, टू कुक ही रहेगा. ठीक है, दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. नाउ योर क्वेश्चंस मे हैव सम एडवर्ब्स. Your questions may have some adverbs, like they may have now. मतलब सबसे common I'm using today, yesterday, tomorrow. And you know, when you are given the options, very minutely if you see, the first two options will be wrong, और जो बाकी दो 50-50 बच जाते हैं ना, उसमें एक ऑप्शन होगा जिसमें एडवर्ब चेंज नहीं कर रखा होगा और दूसरे में चेंज कर रखा होगा. एंड नॉर्मली किड्स क्या करते हैं, उसे पहले वाले को देखते हैं, ओके ठीक है, बाकी सब ठीक है. यू हैव टू सी दिस ऑल्सो that in your sentence if any adverb is given that has to be changed. Like in the first sentence I had written I am unwell today, right? I am unwell today, so I changed into she. Am changed into was. Unwell ही रहेगा. Today will change into that day, right? In the same manner I had left here one sentence. For example, tomorrow I'll teach you. I'll teach tenses tomorrow. as आंसर हमारा क्वेश्चन है I will teach tenses tomorrow. So it is the next day. Tomorrow will change into the next day. So this you have to see in your sentences. These are some of the adverbs that we commonly come. Then we also have certain words like so they are the most common forms which we normally change in our reported speech. We will have definitely pronouns. We'll be having the modals as well as the verbs, then adverbs. So we have to look into those and accordingly we have to change, right? Now there is one important aspect, that is changing of interrogatives. Again, very common. You will be having question starting with what, when, where, how, who, right? If your questions are starting with what, when, where, how, who, तो ये जो words हैं ये change हमारे नहीं होते. They don't change. First, ये words change नहीं होते. Secondly, when we change an interrogative sentence, first जो pronoun है और सब्जेक्ट है, दैट कम्स, एंड देन वर्ब। अब कैसे? अब क्वेश्चन है हमारा व्हाट, बहुत 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 ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है ये वाला एस्पेक्ट। इट्स अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज योर नेम, हाउ इज योर health? These are two questions, right? What is your name and how is your health? ठीक है। अब आपने इसमें देखा कि ये जो वर्ब है दैट इज वॉट के तुरंत बाद आ गया। वॉट इज योर नेम, वॉट के बाद आया है, राइट? बट व्हेन वी चेंज इंटेरोगेटिव्स, द रूल सेज, द रूल सेज वॉट, हम पहले सब्जेक्ट को लगाते हैं, यानी कि यूवर, मैंने लिखा ना यहाँ सब्जेक्ट या प्रोनाउन, तो पहले हम प्रोनाउन या सब्जेक्ट को चेंज करते हैं। व्हाट हिज नेम वॉज, व्हाट वॉज हिज नेम नहीं होगा। रिमेंबर, it is not what was his name, it is what his name was. This is one of the very 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 important question. और यहां हमने क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाया, लेकिन in our answers we don't use any question mark. In our answers we don't use any question mark. How is your health? How his health was. How was his health नहीं होगा। इट इज नॉट आप डायरेक्टली चेंज कर दो, अच्छा इसको was में चेंज कर दिया बस, नो। इन द चेंजिंग ऑफ इंटेरोगेटिव्स फर्स्ट द सब्जेक्ट विल कम, व्हाट हिज नेम, देन द वर्ब कम्स। दिस इज अ रूल, राइट? और इसमें हमने डायरेक्टली हमने क्वेश्चन हमारा आ जाता है, लाइक एग्जाम्पल, the priest asked Suman, where is your son? This is a question, right? अब हमें इसको चेंज करना है। जब हम asked लिखते हैं तो we don't use that, where, where ही रहेगा, ठीक है? मतलब सीधा वेयर लग जाएगा, वेयर तो वेयर ही लगता है, सीधा लग जाएगा वेयर। अब सुमन इज गर्ल, वेयर हर सन वॉज। दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर changing the sentences, changing the interrogatives which starts with the WH families like what, when, where. अब आपके questions आते हैं, you may have questions. You may have questions with do or does. You may have questions with did. You may have questions with can, may, shall, is, are, am. ठीक है, ऊपर हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था WH family, but now you may be having the questions starting with them. For example, do you know French? Is the principal in? Right? In another words, we can say कि ये वो questions हैं जिनका आंसर yes या no होता है, जिसके आंसर्स आपके yes या no होते हैं. Like if I say, do you know French? तो my answer might be yes I know French or no I don't know French. Right? या फिर is the principal in? No, he is not in. Yes, she is in. तो जो क्वेश्चंस आपके डू, डज, डिड, कैन, मे, शैल मीन्स ऑल द मोडाल वर्ब, हैज या फिर इज, आर, एम से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उन क्वेश्चंस को हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो वी चेंज इट इफ और वेदर, मतलब वी कैन यूज इफ और वेदर प्लस सब्जेक्ट, देन वर्ब का सेकेंड फॉर्म and the rest of the sentence. But if the verb is in did form, if or whether, had plus verb का third form. How? Now the question says, do you know French? The teacher asked, ठीक है, there is no need of putting that. The teacher asked, सबसे पहले आएगा if, मतलब आप if भी यूज कर सकते हो, whether भी यूज कर सकते हो. In your options you may be given if or whether. The teacher asked if you, अब लड़का है तो ही, लड़की है तो she. If she knew French. Right? Is the principal in? The lady, मतलब ये मैंने I've just assumed. The lady inquired. फिर was the principal in नहीं आएगा. It will not change into was the principal in. It will change if, then the subject, the principal was in. Let us do the last one in the past tense form. Surbi said to Raina, did you really meet Dhoni yesterday? Now this is in the past tense. You can see the verb did, right? So this will change as right. फिर सबसे पहले if या whether. If now Raina is a girl, you की जगह she, did will change into had, meet, met, third form of meet. Meet, met, third form of meet. If she had really met Dhoni the previous day, the answer will go in this form. Means Surbi asked Raina, then did you meet? Did she meet नहीं होगा. If she did को change कर देंगे into had. If she had met Dhoni yesterday will change into the previous day. So beta, these all are what.
Lot of breaking.
Okay.